Feel, heal, thrive. Feel, heal, thrive with the help of Bach Flower Remedies.
Welcome back, my dear. How are you doing today? We are continuing our journey through the many layers of confidence. So far, we've explored confidence in our abilities with large and confidence in our worthiness with pine. Today, we're exploring another important layer, the confidence to trust ourselves. Have you ever noticed how easy it is to trust everyone else's opinion while quietly doubting your own? Perhaps deep down, you already know the answer. Yet, before making a decision, you ask a friend, search online, or seek reassurance, hoping someone else will tell you what to do. If this sounds familiar, today's remedy, Cerato, may gently support you. Before we begin, let's take a deep breath and arrive here fully together. Allow yourself to become still. This is a space without judgment, only gentle awareness. Let's start with a few questions. Do you often ask other people's opinions before making even small decisions? When someone gives advice, do you immediately assume they know better than you? Have you ever ignored your own intuition, only to discover later that your first instinct had been right? Do you spend a lot of time researching or seeking reassurance because you don't quite trust your own judgment? Do you often find yourself asking, "What do you think I should do?" Do you admire everyone else's wisdom while overlooking your own? And finally, when was the last time you truly trusted yourself? When was the last time you listened to your gut? If these questions resonate with you, Cerato may help you. Cerato is the Bach Flower Remedy for those who doubt their own judgment. The Cerato person often already knows the answer. The difficulty isn't finding it, it's trusting it. Dr. Bach describes Cerato as those who have not sufficient confidence in themselves to make their own decisions. Instead of listening inward, they look outward for certainty. One opinion leads to another, until the quiet voice of their own intuition becomes difficult to hear. The irony is that Cerato people are often highly intuitive. Their first instinct is frequently correct. But because they believe others know better, they overlook the wisdom they already possess. Let me give you a few examples. Perhaps you're considering a new career opportunity. Deep down, one path feels right, but before deciding, you ask family, friends, colleagues, and even strangers online. Instead of gaining clarity, you become even more confused. Or perhaps you're raising your children. Your instincts tell you one thing, but every article and every expert offers different advice. Before long, you begin doubting yourself. Or maybe you're building your own business. You follow countless coaches, marketing experts, always searching for the perfect strategy. Yet, instead of moving forward with confidence, you remain stuck gathering more information. Many of us do this from time to time, but when it becomes a habit, we slowly lose confidence in ourselves. Every time we ignore our inner knowing, we quietly send ourselves the message, "I don't trust you." And over time, that relationship with ourselves begins to weaken. So what happens when we take Cerato? We don't stop appreciating the wisdom of others. Advice still has value. But we begin including our own voice in the conversation. We learn to pause before looking outside ourselves. Our intuition becomes stronger because we begin listening to it. Decision-making feels calmer, less rushed, less dependent on constant reassurance, and little by little, something beautiful begins to grow: self-trust, one of the deepest forms of confidence we can cultivate. Because confidence isn't about always making the perfect decision. It's about trusting yourself. You can navigate whatever comes next. I'd like to leave you with a few gentle reflections. What if your first instinct deserves to be heard? What if you already hold more wisdom than you realize? What if you trusted yourself just a little bit more today than you did yesterday? And what if the answers you've been searching for have been quietly waiting within you all along? As you move through your week, notice how often you look outside yourself for answers. The next time you're about to ask someone else what you should do, pause, take one slow breath, and discover the wonderful, natural, and effective help in the drops of Cerato. I've included a link in the show notes for you, explaining how to use Bach Flower Remedies. They are 100% natural and completely safe for everyone at every stage of life. If you wanted to talk to me instead, for questions or consultations, you'll find me at feel-heal-thrive.com. I dropped that link too in the episode description. Thank you for sharing this time with me. If this episode resonated with you, I'd love for you to subscribe so you don't miss any future chapter of the Emotional Roots of Confidence series. Until next time, take good care of yourself and your emotions, and I'll talk to you soon. I'm Elena Amaro, Bach Flower Remedies expert professional practitioner, and Bach Foundation registered practitioner, and this is Feel, Heal, Thrive.